Fear of failure is good. Fear of failure will keep you up at night, planning and rehearsing and going over contingencies. Fear of failure will keep you training hard.
What's up, guys? Rigo Capital back again for another weekly recap, as it was a short week with Thursday and market being closed in observance for Jimmy Carter's passing. So it was actually a really good week for us. Now, Friday we did swing calls into Monday. That was a SPY. We went really heavy on that. We saw that we did close inside the 591 demand for us. That ended up gapping up all the way to 600, and this was exactly my target. I made a previous video on this already, but we swung those calls, and the account was already up 150% after we cashed out those calls at the top here. And we knew that we had, job numbers and a lot of data this week to where more than likely we were not going to go above 600 if the data went well. We'd end up getting above 600, but if it didn't, then we would come back into range. And that's kind of what we saw too. So we cashed out those calls, and even midday we saw that selling pressure come right back down near the gap that we kind of created going into Monday. So I knew Tuesday more than likely we're gonna see that gap fill. And so that's exactly what happened. So first things first, on that first trade on Tuesday, we took Google calls I saw that it was flagging into, Monday into Tuesday. We broke above our 197.79, slammed some 202.5, 2 weeks out calls, and rode it all the way up to our target of 201.42. Came very close, but we were all out up there, and it was a pretty nice move. As that was kind of playing out, we saw that same Tuesday that we started to pull down more, and I knew more than likely if we end up losing 521 here or outside of this flag, we're just going to eat the gap right back down, and that's exactly what happened. So we slammed QQ puts for the ride down, banked off that, and that just kind of kept selling off kind of into the end of day there. Now, I expected Wednesday to be very choppy because we had our big, non-farm payrolls on Thursday. That data was going to really do something. And then, of course, market was closed, the Thursday. So Wednesday was kind of like a buffering day. We had, Powell, or we had Fed minutes. We had other stuff going on that, kind of just made the market stay still. And notice how we are just pinned in this action. So we bought some calls at the bottom for the push up. We tried some SPY puts as well for the pull down here under our 587.78 level, a small little win. Also, we took some NVIDIA calls that open above 141.78, ran to 143, 144 target. I got stopped down in it because I kept a tight stop. Members won on this, and I'm happy for them. I just had to keep a really tight stop. So it was a decent day, but we went into the next day, Friday, kind of wrapping this up to see, what happened. And this was a one and done situation for us. And I made a previous video about this already, and how we shorted outside of this flag for the pull down, hitting our 506, 505, and 503, 502 demand here. Very easy, 200% win right there. And we're off to a really good start for January. Just playing our zones, playing our levels. Doesn't matter which way we're going, up or down. We're still going to be playing our zones and winning and trusting the zones. So very easy for a lot of the members and for me as well. So I did this live as well. I did most of these trades live. And so it was a really good week. And I'm happy that they, won really big following me from Friday into Monday. We haven't had a chance to swing, much positions or even size heavy because we've been playing it safe. And so right when I saw the first opportunity for that to happen, I sized up. We swung those calls. We absolutely banked. So let's go over and look at all the member gains for the week, and it was really good. So kicking us off, Menace right there. Look at that, those SPY calls, 1800 right there on him. Spacey follower turning his account all the way around. Christian showing off some games right there. I'm showing off my account performance right there. Blue Dew 22% right there. We got Chill Guy. He said great swing. Beautiful gains right there. Chase followed me into the fire, up about almost 6K. Double his account right there. Sammy killing it right there. Look at that, 8,000, 8.4 thousand, turning 1,000 something. And almost 10K right there. Beautiful move. Dan ripping all the way to almost 1,000, starting with $150 last week. Beautiful. Soul Sandals, look at that, showing off some profit. Nice. We got Vicky right here showing off 85% on his account. Nice. I'm showing off a little bit more as well. Manure Vibes showing off his SPY wins as well in his account, 161%. Everyone was up big from that swing. Miles showing off beautiful wins right there, 2K. Easy stuff. Blessed Life showing off his gains as well. Just ride it open, cashing out. Spaceonaut, he says it ain't much, but it's still honest morning work of day trading. Hope to catch one of these banger swing plays with the team. Almost 30% on the day for him. Nice. Got a member named Spy showing off $1,000 at open. Whew, calm little grand before work. Grateful for Rico. ET showing off his gains right there. 450 profit, 210 risk. Gotta love that. 600 altogether profit. Nice. AK showing off $32,000 as he swung heavy with those calls. He's saying, thank you, King Rico. Anybody that doesn't believe in me deserves to be broke. Joseph showing off 5% on his account. ET showing off $200 on the QQQs. Banger of the day. We got look at that, beautiful, 17%, $400. I mean, 2K account, loving that. That boy Jock showing off 100% on his account, 23% there. I mean, all of his accounts are bumping. Menace showing off that Google win, awesome. Soul Sandals showing off the Google win. Christian showing off some Google wins right there. I'm showing off the Google calls and QQ puts, nice. Sangusi caught that put right before PMI. We did have PMI news. Quick little banger, 127% off 2 contracts. Love that. Soul Sandals, small win, but I'm 2 for 2 with King Rico. You never miss, showing off the gains. Joseph showing off 6% on his accounts. He says Jimmy got him sick, but he's done for the day. Can't look at his phone anymore. ET showing off some gains. Should have gone heavy on the puts, but another 600 day. Nice. Showing off some gains there, 5% on the account. Loving life. Joseph said he lied. Fode's still on. He got 122% on some SpyX and 36% on the account for the day. That boy Jock showing off 11%. ET showing off some SPY puts. Nice, 496. And some Octa wins, 30%, $72. Nice. BITO worked great. Thanks. I did call this out in the Discord. It wasn't an official alert, but definitely a high conviction setup. So some members took it if they can get into it. It was really hard to get into it. The spread was kind of wide. All good. Boy Jack showing off 2%. Burks taking money and run. Showing off a cool 250. Easy. Right there. Manure Vibe showing up that BITO play, Bitcoin play that I called out. Nice. Chase showing off his... There we go for the week. I mean, nothing but green. I'm seeing nothing but green right there. Awesome. Sangusi, a very rough start to the day, but never complain a green day. From the bottom all the way back up, he killed it. Joseph showing off. I have nothing to complain about. 1% on a tough day too. Quickest 100%. Sangusi showing off some SPY puts. Nice. First day trading after the holidays for him. Harvier showing off 16.3K. Coming right back, beautiful. Jock showing off 4% on the day. I'm showing off about 6% as well. He's showing off another 5.5%. One and done on the Friday. QQ puts, awesome. Joseph showing off 9%. So beautiful stuff there, guys. Members were banking all week, even though it's a slow week, but we're starting off strong, starting the year off strong, and I really feel like people are coming back from holidays and we're really getting back into trading, and the teams all coming back from holidays and stuff like that. So we're gonna really see things heat up here as the market kind of heats up a little bit as earnings season comes up, CPI, PPI data, and a lot of other stuff. So stay in tuned with the team. WAP.com/Rico Capital if you want to join the team and bank with us. Get in here. We're having a lot of fun in the members chat. We're talking back and forth. We're banking together. Members gains. We're showing off members gains. High conviction plays. If you want to be a part of the member, members get this. The zones as well. Shows you, above here, take that, and below here, take that. Gives you the charts, the zones, everything you need. And of course, I trade live here as well. So join the team. We're having fun here. And that's the recap. So shorter week, but not for the gains. We've been killing it. So we'll see how next week turns out as the first full week of January starts tomorrow, or Monday, of course. We did have a holiday. Market was closed this week. So see how we do and close out January. We're off to a really good start. all of last year was a good year. December was a good month for us. January is going to be a good month. So let's see how we do, guys. Appreciate y'all watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share to someone that needs it. Hopefully y'all learned a little bit of something. Check out my other videos for more content to learn more about how I trade, how I take trades, how I set things up. So appreciate you watching, and see you on the next video.